Kolombakya joto takuk te bukuk song tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi jeng tini nalinai National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development ni hoite ketal kaisa job notification faimani obongkha employment notice boroni hoite faimani faidi jeng nalinai Direct recruitment of officers in grade A haike B 2021 NABARD, an all India FX organization wholly owned by Government of India, invites only online applications from Indian citizens having necessary qualification for appointment in NABARD for the following post. Obongkha boni posting bumong obongkha vacancies faidi chengnalene Pulano tongo assistant manager in grade A Rural Development Banking Service ni bagai post ni bagai total vacancy tongo 148 aboni pore chongnogui mano assistant manager in grade A obongkha ras basa service ni bagai post ni bagai vacancy tongo number 5 aboni pore chongoro nogui mano assistant manager in grade A obongkha protocol and security service ni bagai oboni bagai vacancy tongo kaini aboni pore last post ni bomongkha manager in grade B rural development banking service ni bagai vacancy tongo number 7 takhokte bhuksong ojob ni bagai norok application khainamu chungangke daktino khaidi last date engka 7th August 2021 takhokte bhuksong faidi ching tebo naline for all details related to vacancies educational qualification, age, application fee, selection procedure, etc. Please visit www.nabard.org. Takhokte bhuksong ojob ni bagai qualification, age, tai application fee rok, tai selection procedure rok chengnaline. Faidi boni website thangai. Joto details no cheng nalinai. Obongkha boni website cheng nogimano boni career notice cheng thangai naline naidi takokta bukuksong cheng pulano nogimano recruitment to the post of manager in grade B RDBMS 2021 o job nimbagi norok pura advertisement nainamo chukangke o jaga click khaidi norok direct apply khainamo chukangke o jaga click khaidi Next post in Bumongkha recruitment to the post of officers in grade A Assistant Manager Protocol and Security Service 2021 Boni advertisement Obongkha apply khanani Aboni pore chengnogiman jaga recruitment to the post of Assistant Manager in grade A RDBMS Rasbasa Service 2021 Boni advertisement nanemo chungkha hanke ora click khadi ora hangenor apply khainen bagai o jaga click khadi faidi cheng kaisa ke analine pula cheng advertisement thangai boni pura notification cheng nalinai obongkha boni notification recruitment to the post of assistant manager in grade A RDBMS nadi o job ni bagin norok online application ma khainai 7th August 2021 e bisingo tai phase 1 prelims exam ni bagai online nai borok je last week of August 2021 hayakiba first week of September 2021 tentatively orane bisingo exam ngi mano obongkha vacancies naidi pula post bomong tongo general oboni bagai total vacancy tongo 74 aboni pore agriculture ni bagai tongo 13 agriculture engineer ni bagai hinke 3 animal husbandry ni bagai hinke 4 fisheries ni bagai 6 forestry ni bagai 2 plantation haike horticulture ni bagai 6 land development haike soil science ni bagai 2 water resources ni bagai hinke 2 finance ni bagai 21 and computer haike information technology ni bagai 15 total number angka 148 takhokta bhuksong AM Rasbasha ni bagai tongo number 5 Seng faidi tebo nalinai the reservation will be provided for candidate belonging to Borok reservation denai SC ST OBC EWS PWBD ni bagai ngabani pore chengnogi mano the bank reserve the right to increase haike decrease the number of vacancy boni thani right tongo borok o vacancy no haike bari mano haike komi refund mano takhukte bukhuk song o job ni bagai je qualification nangmani obo faidi chengna leinai pula post ni bung tongo general oboni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor's degree in any subject from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks nangnai tai SC ST PWBD applicants in bagai 55% marks tongpano ongo in aggregate or postgraduate degree MBA PGDM with a minimum of 55% marks tongpano ongo tai ST ST PWBD in bagai 50% marks tongpano ongo in aggregate or CA CS ICWA or PhD from an institution recognized by Government of India haike UGC tongpano ongo aboni pore chengnogi mano agriculture ni bagai oboni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in agriculture tai marks tono nangnai 60% tai SC ST PWBD ni bagai hinke 55% marks tongpano ongo hayakeba postgraduate degree in agriculture hayakeba agriculture in soil science agronomy bongnero 55% marks tongpano ongo tai SC ST PWBD ni bagai hinke 50% marks tongpano ongo aboni pore chengnogi mano agriculture engineering ni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in agriculture engineering 60% marks tai SC PWBD ni bagai hinke 55% tongpano ongo aboni pore jodi postgraduate degree in agriculture engineering with a 55% marks tongpano ongo tai SC PWBD ni bagai hinke 50% marks tongpano ongo aboni pore chengnogi mano animal husbandry qualification nangnai bachelor degree in veterinary sciences hayakeba animal husbandry from any recognized university minimum marks to nangnai 60% tai SC PWBD in bagai 55% nayo hayakeba postgraduate degree in veterinary sciences hayakeba animal husbandry marks 55% tongpano ongo tai SC PWBD in bagai 50% aboni pore cheng nelinai fisheries ni bagai oboni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in fisheries science 60% marks tongpano ongo tai SC PWBD in bagai 55 or postgraduate degree in fisheries science with 55% marks tai SC PWD in bagai 50% aboni pore chengnogi mano forestry in bagai hinke bachelor degree in forestry from a recognized university 60% marks tai SC PWD in bagai hinke 55 or postgraduate degree in forestry with 55% marks SC PWBD in bagai hinke 50% aboni pore plantation hayakeba horticulture in bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in horticulture from any recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks SC PWBD in bagai hinke 55 or postgraduate degree in horticulture with a minimum of 55% marks SC PWBD in bagai hinke 50% aboni pore tongo land development soil science ni bagai hinke bachelor degree in agriculture hayake agriculture in soil science hayake agronomy marks tono nangnai 60% PWBD in bagai hinke 55% tongpano ongo hayakeba postgraduate degree in agriculture hayakeba agriculture in soil science hayakeba agronomy with a minimum of 55% marks tai PWBD in bagai hinke 50% aboni pore cheng oro nogui mano water resources ni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in hydrology hayakeba applied hydrology or geology hayakeba applied geology with hydrogeology irrigation water supply and sanitation oboni bagai 60% marks to nangnai tai PWBD in bagai 55% or postgraduate degree or same subject no 55% nayo PWBD in bagai 50% tai ojaga finance in bagai hinke nango BBA finance haike banking aboni pore BMS finance and banking with 60% marks tai SC ST tai PWBD ni bagi hingke 55% tongphanongo hayakeba 2 years full time PG diploma in management finance hayakeba full time MBA finance degree with 55% ST ST PWBD ni bagi hingke 50% tongphanongo aboni pore chonogimano borok orte bonayo bachelor degree in any discipline aboni pore tongo computer and information technology aboni bagi qualification nangnai bachelor degree in computer science haikeba computer technology haikeba computer application haikeba information technology with 60% marks tai SC PWBD applicant ne bagi hinge 55% in aggregate haikeba postgraduate degree bagi hinge computer application computer science computer technology computer application information technology with 55% marks SC PWBD applicants bagi hinge 50% in aggregate tai takhokta bukoksong o job ni bagi norok apply khaina hinge age na nangnai minimum 21 tai maximum kha 30 tai relaxation tongo 5 years SC ST ex servicemen rungbagi tai obongkha selection procedure pre magazine bagai topic tongo test of reasoning English language computer knowledge quantitative aptitude decision making general awareness eco and SOC issues with focused on rural India agriculture and rural development with emphasis on rural India number of question tongnai 200 maximum mark tongnai 200 zoro rojanai 120 minutes tai obongkha main exam ni bagai paper 1 tongnai general English aboni pore paper 2 tongnai economics C and social issues norok obo nainedi takhokte buksong or notification ang or description box o rirenai obongkha syllabus norok nainedi takhokte buksong obongkha examination center this one ni bagai jeng nogoi mano o jaga tipon bagi tongo Agartala exam ngai phase 1 ni bagai phase 2 ni bagi hinke Agartala kari norok Guwahati rogophan thangai rimano obongkha application fees naidi SC ST PWBD ni bagi tongo application fees nil norok intimidation charge marane 150 tai for all others ni bagi tongo application fees 650 tai intimidation charge tongo 150 total tongo 800 takhokte buksong norok o job ni bagi application khaina hanke norni photograph tai signature rok scan khai upload ma khainai photograph ni bagi size na nangnai 20 kb to 50 kb and signature ni bagi nangnai 10 kb to 20 kb tai left thumb impression bagi nangnai 20 kb to 50 kb tai declaration bagi norok nangnai 50 kb to 100 kb norok jotno jpg file oslam demo takhokte buksong o post ni bagi to asuno faidi chung tabok takasha post ni bagi nalaine obongkha recruitment to the post of officer in grade A assistant manager protocol and security service ni bagi same online application ma khainai date bo 7 August ni bisingono tai chung nogoi mano vacancy tongo kaini no kono SC ST OBC ni bagi kari yor ni bagi simno kaini o job ni bagai age na nangnai minimum 25 to 40 years no relaxation for any category on bagai kuno relaxation karai tai o job ni bagai fees nangnai SC ST ni bagai application fees to nil intimidation charge nangnai 100 rupees tai for others ni bagai application fees 650 tai intimidation charge nangai 100 total 750 obongkha buni pay scale norok nogoi mano basic pay rejak tongo 28,150 per month nishimi same process photo signature rok norok ma khaine thumb signature tai declaration rok faidi jeng takasa post ni bagi banalaine obongkha manager in grade B RD BMS ni bagi same process online 7th August ni bisingono phase 1 ni exam bo same no vacancies tongo general UR ni bagai 3 SC ni bagai kaisa ST ni bagai to kurui OBC ni bagai kainai EWS ni bagai kaisa PWBD ni bagai bo kaisa no tai total number ka 7 takokte buhuk song o job ta sing je cheng naimani manager RDBMS grade A ni bagai sing je nailekha abo bai same no bai ke apply khanya rok abo jotono same no ni mano norok nugui manai same exam pattern robo same nong nai norok nainedi ang o notification bo description box o riruana jotono same no takokte buhuk song center bo tongo Tripura Agartala no phaidi cheng tabuk bahai ke apply khanya rok kisa naine laine abong kha boni website o jaga cheng apply here click khaine apply here click khaimani pore o page khuluk jangnai cheng click here for new registration o jaga click khainai aboni pore cheng obo nugui mano puila marnai ni bumung aboni pore ni last name ni phone number aboni pore nongni email id aboni pore security code aboni pore save and next khaidi aboni pore step wise phainai photo and signature details preview pore upload ma khainai aboni pore payment ma khainai o job ni bagai asungno takokte buhuk song norok jodi interest tong khangkeba norok jodi eligible khangkeba norok apply khaidi tinin bagai ashikno khulum bakha